What if I told you that rich people don't just get lucky? They follow daily habits that set them up for success. Here's the kicker: 76% of wealthy people have specific daily habits that the poor don't. That's what Thomas Corley discovered after studying the rich for 5 years. If you want to break out of financial struggle and build wealth, keep watching because I'm breaking down the rich habits that can transform your life. Oh, and we'll also sprinkle in wisdom from Warren Buffett, because who better to learn from than one of the richest people in the world? Let's go. Lesson 1: The Power of Daily Learning. The rich never stop learning. Corley found that 88% of wealthy people read for self-improvement at least 30 minutes a day. Meanwhile, only 2% of poor people do this. Warren Buffett, he spends 80% of his day reading. He says, the more you learn, the more you earn. Real-world application: instead of scrolling social media, swap 30 minutes for reading books on finance, business, or self-development. Over a year, that's 180 hours of growth. Lesson 2: Health equals wealth. What does physical health have to do with money? Everything. Corley discovered that 76% of wealthy people exercise at least 4 days a week. They understand that good health leads to higher energy, sharper thinking, and long-term wealth. Buffett, despite being famous for eating McDonald's, says, if I gave you one car for life, you'd take care of it. Your body is that car. Practical takeaway: start with a 15-minute daily walk. It's a small habit that builds discipline, just like saving money does. Lesson 3: The right network changes everything. Rich people surround themselves with other successful, positive individuals. Corley found that 79% of wealthy people actively network and build relationships with like-minded individuals. They don't waste time with negativity. Warren Buffett's advice: hang out with people better than you, and you'll drift in that direction. Why it matters? Who you spend time with shapes your mindset, habits, and opportunities. Join mastermind groups, attend business events, or even start a book club with ambitious friends. Lesson 4: Setting goals versus wishful thinking. Here's a big one. Rich people set goals. Poor people make wishes. Corley found that 67% of the wealthy write down their goals. Meanwhile, most people just hope for success without a plan. Buffett's secret: the two-list rule. Write down your top 25 life goals. Then, circle the 5 most important ones and forget the rest. Focus is everything. Application: write down 3 financial goals right now. Make them specific and set a deadline. Lesson 5: Multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. Relying on one job is risky. Corley found that 65% of the rich have multiple income sources, while most people only rely on one paycheck. Buffett says, never depend on a single income. Invest to create a second source. Actionable steps: start small. Launch a side hustle. Invest in stocks or explore real estate. Small steps lead to big wealth. Let's recap. 1. Read daily, learn and grow. 2. Stay fit. Health fuels wealth. 3. Build strong networks. Your circle shapes your future. 4. Set clear goals. Focus beats wishful thinking. 5. Create multiple income streams. Security comes from diversity. Which habit are you going to start today? Comment below. And if you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing financial insights. See you in the next video.